Win that sale naturally using NLP. NLP and sales, that's what we are going to talk about today. NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming, is that fantastic art that helps you become an artist at conversations. And when you build these conversations in the context of sales, you know you're going to win that sale naturally. Winning a sale is just the first step. You understand that sales is also about building relationships and how your conversations, your trustworthiness, your rapport can actually help you build lifelong relationships and, of course, in some cases, lifelong sales. Now, it's really important for you to understand three things here. We're going to talk about these three very important points here. Now, the first thing is, how do we convince ourselves, not the client, ourselves, that our product is immensely valuable for a client? So the first thing is building that confidence within yourself that whatever you do, you're doing it with full integrity, full values, and what you're going to do is good for your client. Second, how do you learn to build that trustworthiness even before you've made a sale? A lot of people have great products, but they are unable to sell because they do not know the art of being trustworthy even if they are trustworthy. So how do you gain that trust? And the third thing, which is most important, is how do we understand that our offering, our product, our service matches the requirement of our clients without forcing it? How do we really see this and make ethical sales? See, ethics is really important in sales. So when you make ethical, trustworthy sales, you know you're going to win that sale naturally using NLP. Let me suggest, we have this program called Win That Sale Naturally, and you can join it. Now, you have to see how you want to make that sale naturally. This is your coach Ashish Sehgal. See you soon.